Next, I'm going to talk about lysosomes. So lysosomes, they are small single membrane organelle. They are single membrane organelle and they are present in all eukaryotes. They are absent in prokaryotes, but they will be present in all eukaryotic cell. So here they have enlarged. I have enlarged the image of the lysosomes. This is a lysosome. Now, these lysosomes, they are vesicles. They contain a variety of digestive enzyme in it, or you can say they contain a number of hydrolytic enzymes. These are digestive enzymes. So they have protease that will digest the protein. They have nucleases that will digest the nucleic acid, such as the DNA, the RNAs. They have lipases that will digest the lipid. So they contain a number of hydrolytic enzyme. Now we know that we have studied in Golgi apparatus that Golgi apparatus, they synthesize the lysosomes. So see here, these enzymes which I was talking about, the hydrolytic enzymes, these are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum and they are then transported to Golgi apparatus for further processing, for further modification. Next, these the Golgi apparatus, after processing, they will release this. This and they are called as primary lysosomes. These lysosomes were called as primary lysosomes. When they get activated, they are called as secondary lysosomes. The function that has been mentioned is they help in digestion of food materials or any pathogens if it enters in our body. So what happens? The food particles or the pathogens that has been engulfed by the cell through phagocytosis. You can see here, suppose these are the food particles. They are engulfed by the cell or they entered the cell. Now the food particles, and here you can see this is our Golgi. This is our Golgi apparatus. They synthesize the lysosomes. These are the lysosomes, and the food particle and the lysosomes, they fuse together and they form phagolysosomes, or you can say phagosomes. When the primary lysosomes and the food particle, the phagocytic vesicles, they fuse together, they will form a phagolysosomes or phagosomes. Now these particle, it gets activated and they are termed as secondary lysosomes. It will then help in the digestion of the material that has been taken in, that has been engulfed. So the secondary lysosomes will help in the digestion of the material that has been taken in. So lysosomes, they help in digestion of the material that has been phagocyted by the cell, that has been engulfed by the cell. And from this we can say that lysosomes, these are abundant in phagocytic cell as compared to non-phagocytic cells. So where phagocytic cells are more, these lysosomes are found there because they will help to digest that. And one more point, this is not mentioned in your textbook, but you already know this. These lysosomes, they are also known as suicidal bag of the cell, because what happened during cell damage, when the cell damage, the lysosomes, it burst and the enzymes, it digest their own cell. The lysosomes, they contain the enzymes, right? So this will burst and the enzymes, they will digest their own cell. So they are called as suicidal bags also.